to begin, how to start. I'm hungry. I should get coffee. Coffee would help me think. But I should write something first, then reward myself with coffee.
यार आज काम करने का मूड ही नहीं है, चल जाके चाय पी के आते हैं. How many times have you said this while putting off an important task? Well, if you have done that, then you are surely procrastinating. Now, what exactly is procrastination? बहुत सारे लोग procrastination और laziness को same समझ लेते हैं. But there is a vast difference between the two. Being lazy means you don't want to do anything and just be inactive and rest. While procrastination means you are ignoring a very important task which you find unpleasant or too daunting for a menial task that is fun and enjoyable. One might just go for a coffee or chai break as well. While the good news is you are not alone when it comes to procrastination, as 95% of people procrastinate at least once a while. But the bad news is that procrastination can hold you back a lot and affect your professional work in a very negative way. So, today we are going to look at a few tips and tricks that will help you overcome procrastination and be more productive. Number 1. Understanding why you are procrastinating. If you are genuinely busy with something else and delaying a task because of that, then that is not procrastinating at all. पर अगर आप जानबूझ के छोटे-छोटे या फिर नए आए हुए काम कर रहे हैं जबकि आपके पास एक टास्क कब से पड़ा हुआ है जो आप कर ही नहीं रहे, तो that is when you are procrastinating. And ऐसे situation में ये जानना important है कि आप procrastinate क्यों कर रहे हो. Maybe it is because you think the task is very demanding or hard and you are overwhelmed with the work and don't know where to start, or maybe it is simply because you are not interested in the task. Whatever the case might be, identifying why you are delaying a task is very important, as you can then focus on the problem at its root cause. Number 2, the 5-minute cure of procrastination. Often when you are procrastinating, the hardest thing to do is to start. So the most potent method to fight procrastination is to use the 5 minutes method. Here is how you can do it. You take the task that you have been avoiding and make a vow to work on it for just 5 minutes. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि सिर्फ 5 मिनट काम करने से क्या होगा? But the reason why you have been putting off the task is because you might be thinking that it's just too much work and will take too long. So, by working on it for 5 minutes will make you realize that it's not that hard or big of a job, and you slowly gain the confidence to complete. Research also shows that अगर आप एक काम start कर दो तो आप वो most of the times finish कर ही देते हो, because वो unfinished task आपको फिर से याद आने लगता है. This is a psychological effect called the Zeigarnik effect. Number 3, the power hour method. A power hour is a dedicated block of time when an individual focuses on a specific job intensely without any distractions and interruptions. All you will need is a time and complete focus to work on that one job that you have been procrastinating about. ये hour आप दिन में कभी भी ले सकते हो. It can be the first thing you do in the morning or it can be the last. This will not only help you start on the project that you are avoiding, but also give you a sense of momentum and accomplishment, and that is the feeling that you will chase, causing you to be more productive and effective with your time and work. Number 4, a bet or a reward. Make the activity you are procrastinating about fun by promising to treat yourself with something you love for creating the task. The treat could be as small as your favorite chocolate or doing your favorite activity. रिसर्च ये दिखाता है कि हमारा ब्रेन रिवॉर्ड स्टिम्युलस को बहुत ही पॉजिटिवली रिस्पॉन्ड करता है, एंड इट कैन हेल्प अस क्रिएट गुड हैबिट्स एंड रिड्यूस प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन. यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक स्मॉल बेट्स विद अ फ्रेंड. इट कुड बी एज सिंपल एज अगर ये काम मैंने आज खत्म नहीं किया तो आई विल गिव यू अ चॉकलेट. just to make the job more fun and challenging. One can also ask the friend to check up on you from time to time to see how much you've worked on the project on hand. By challenging yourself, you motivate yourself to start working on tasks that you would procrastinate on. There are also other small methods to avoid procrastination, such as listening to a song which energizes you, tackling tasks as soon as they arrive, especially the ones that you find to be the most unpleasant, and forgiving yourself for your past procrastination to overcome your current procrastination. So if you're someone that is procrastinating right now by watching this video, try one of these methods we have mentioned above and tell us in the comments below how it has helped you in the process. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Try Ahead for more videos like this.